the prison service any komo superintendent chief superintendent Richard Bukari mamini ni komo no pay last time he was here ye ni di komo pi na we abey omo na ya na nema bibiri na besi omo na so na ye hwe how besi e beti ase Benin bacho se bibia boko de
o bibia boko na mo
nyame adom ye ho ye pa na krata e free mampani aso ye ya ben na no pe na ye pese ye busa wo mu ye na ye ginchiremu kakra e free ho na ye hwe how sitie mampani aso ye de abase enipa 988 998 okay 998
yes
enya mampani amnesty no ye nkrata mampani asan se omo bone ni ade bajo fa mu kakra ye be se ya tia se ye be se ya no be fom na ya kodi tro na se ya kan yi nti wadaroma se na krata ne mu nsem ne siti ankasa
no kre yensa aka krata no na de yensan kan na ye regional breakdown no a chese mantem bia yenya hu se o mantem ye mamu sei Ashanti ye mamu sei Eastern ye mamu sei Central ye mamu sei ba o kan nyina ebomu a 998 na nokre sa adiwe a omampanyi aye obroni beka se ne right because our constitution mo on formo emrabia article 90 article 72(1) Mrs. Subium article 72(1) 1992 constitution no enema omampanyi sa kwan no eni tumi no se onye de waye na ebani say no yen prison service there ye anije bebre esan ye ahwa yes yen fan say even the whole of prisons say you could 16,000 per record you could 16,000 na 998 almost 1,000 be fiswa mpempi no de titu ene peswa omabwa peswa the various prisons no broni beka say congestion no anya hwe kra no eboa the decongestion drive and our share criteria no aba no boa ye health system no eye omo apomudin because so share omo ayi omo na obi hu baby terminally ill obi hu baby so aged omo anyinyin pa no na onim se wunyi wonfie no kwa animu no so na wo yare na yare bi ha won kakra nti eba sei no eye decongestion any health systems no na eboa kefie na me kan say ana me ka abo aban abaso any de omaye no na titriu any o hwe omo doso a first offenders no a chese omo first time ni ana chief me be ka say omo dikan a omunye first time me kan say be first time a chese onye bone
da ese bre dikan a oye bone no
meda emre a dikan a oye bone na wo de ba even somumu a yes obia deserve a second chance sabe ebia de oye no na onim krampo se etiamra ana ebia ntwato so bi ana like yanhwe nsem no mpo ya na wanhu na asem mpo ka na ede no ebepie ho nti eba ni say no a opportunity anya hwe kra no nipa no abeda ho no wa fa through some reformative programs bi wanya den sakra wasuasua hunu bi a opie ode ebebo ne bra na de meka ato timamufo asumune se de omampanyi aye sebe wo hwe criteria no a omonnya nkrofo a omo ho ehu na obi akogina ba bi akase akromfo remfo kra na mahama ene na aban abebie say omo medi ewu dabi enye sanete omo ye petty offenders offensing kete banche for body for kobi for ne boni asebi enhyeda nyehu nipa no ntwento enku obia and I share conversions no so abano eye worth it because obia da 40 years 60 years eko opie kura say asebi yemfa ne se na ho den kura so ate osan ni to me bi obetimi aye bibi boni bimpo because aged any elderly ewo criteria no mo nti se mechanic say ana meka abo aban abaso na mabo prison service because a consultative system yeni aban na because na be recommendations no say oh we you know we when you know anti say aban tie advice de amano a waye no de me bona baso
anti se si idea Ashanti region kasa emhu as in number of prisoners are amnesty cover mo as we speak munyanyan.
Yes, as we speak
but we are aware say must submit list bi di ama mpanimfo and I ask ankomo no ya na enhyase mfia
meaning I say PRI no ya submit submit my and I'm very confident say benyabi.
And the Ashanti region mo submit how many prisoners and them if you have that record?
Oh, yes, submit a little over 100.
Oh, okay.
Yes, submit a little over 100 and that covers especially the terminally ill or more yari pa no obi that prison or yari stroke. So the prison social health system into shut down support stroke patients. Obi that how like terminally ill obronika se terminally ill like say no yare no akonenim such one pie anko pe like yare sa papa enye ti se ne ye no presence one one hwa na wa film na obia nso ye aban ajapade se omugya no ho na ye hwere no oman mu no nyina ya hwere ade nti se omo be pia kopa yare sa omanya nsakraye ombeba be edwuma boa oman no omo be contribute to national development and I think it is good.
Enti we know aban the other by any part 33 so the expectation is at least Ashanti region ebenyabi high in this case and first time offenders so no mo de dodo na akoi out of the 100 no be say
first time offenders by 30.
Okay. Okay. But say na process no go through sanwa. At what point na mo release you or mo because in this situation no you name the exact time mampani or append the signatures near the but you be say who say at what time process be so na mo go through say nipa no ye de nidian ba or some releasing no what is the procedure mo go through mo de releasing nipa no.
Yes, time no de kosise ye benya yen ye list no as in Ashanti region we na abase munyi we mo for now ye nya list no and I know say by close of day ebeba say bibia digital they just will transmit the names to us. Now process no and it says yenya names no any process who be already a unipa if you that same process no over fan a warrant over cross checking it or no an sentence no almost all channel like once we have confirmation send no correct information dino abano nipa no near then form na over fill a friend the discharge warrant form of Filivia na ya denensa asi machine so are taking a thumbprint say our properties na ya yamano then Otimiko I don't think say no there it should take us even more than an hour to complete a normal discharge process no no just that way enye obiana ebeba krata befi court aba. Once afi presidency aba no there we have the right to discharge the fellow.
Okay, okay, say buho na pomodin one of the conditions and I say issues are mpanimfo be consider. Apart from that, adeɛ bi na mo hwɛ because ma hu say obi dey death sentence to be commuted to life imprisonment. Awomo no ampani agranti wo mo bie. Here ye behwɛ den na sa nipa no yaka say ye ma no ana mpanimfo ma na amnesty.
Yes, TQ, you share in Fidudoa what channel because Yama life sentence, I say the whole of Wowo Brown, no, the Bono of prison home. I shall say Fida or Bao, no, Chess, Uni Quine say, or OBP. Now say you're commuting to sentence, and I just say one, what Chabia Kama. Anya Fiokra, watcha over 20 years. Sabi minia ya wakola abra over prison now udi 20 years. Ewo hokra kola no sabi wadani penny mo baby. Ansa ebe basa no na chese watcha more than 20 years ewo prison. So bikra echa more than 40 meno kan ewo ho. Uyi eno nso fi hwa say ye hwe good conduct eye wo suban pa. Sabi say 20 years ya obeda we nyina say wone ye enkyere say wasesa prisons ya recommend say aban enyu ba mpempi no omo ye nkrofo a ye ne omo aye adwuma ya hu say omo asesa opie ba bonten a onsan koye bibia ebe ha adwen ena mpempi nso mpendodo a wo twa wo ho no sabi bebre na wapomudin so say nti obroni beka say a conglomerate of factors. Nyoma P na yehwe ba titru mfidudu a wachano wo good conduct ene suban ya gidi se suban pa ya gidi se upia obeda na di aboa omaimu no nyina enkoso.
Well, ba me yesho so obi akwaba ya ma obi amnesia wasa ba bio.
For now, ye nisa record no.
Okay.
For now, ye nisa record no.
Okay, I see. Inti any ye betwen said ye wo kan also mo present mo submit over 100.
Yes, sir.
Inti ye say at least. So the last time Ashandri nya bi no in terms of percentage, the mo present ye in the perform and penny council of state grantee and say.
Munya ni and that was 9 years ago.
So that the last time Obinya amnesty from the Ashanti region 9 years ago.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Yes, sir.
And how often Nampani for request?
For that, I mean a yearly affair.
Wow.
Yes, a yearly affair, but for a very long time. For the past 8 years, may can't see so. Yeah, amnesty a massive. Say way.
Okay. The underline word is massive.
Massive. Makoma. We na draw public attention because of number no. But many fee say many susu say the long period ayenye bino intina dia number no a pejasa.
Okay. And we are national day na okay and as Ashanti.
Yes, the total figure no. The total
998.
998 no.
Okay. But na me crowd na me busa say Ashanti region. O minim so oba hai when you how many years and most submit here. Munya in terms of percentage. Munya
yes, you 100%.
Munya 100%.
Submit no be our grant my.
Oh, okay. But
submit be our
but the last time
2016.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. The last time 2016. Just
okay.
A little before a buying way fee so that time no.
Okay. Matthias here Matthias here minua ma memfa wunsia de aka no enim say ebia within the week monsa be kamo de na say next week na monsa be ka ebia na ba no am yaso ate wadaroma.
That's it.
Thank you very much. So for a friend Chief Superintendent Richard Bukari ɔyɛ PRO de ma the Ghana Prison Service Ashanti region ɛna yɛne na di nkɔ Evans
yɛfrɛ